Hello all, welcome to Cognitive Hub Linux tutorials. In the previous videos, we have seen about all the basic commands that we have in our Linux and that needs to be learned by a beginner. And in this video, I am going to explain about one of the advanced command that we barely use in our normal scenarios. So that is known as a cut command. So basically, I am going to explain about how to mainly what is the main advantage of using the cut command and how you can use the cut command on the files and on the different columns as well. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic and see how we can apply the cut command on the files and all.
Okay guys, now in this video I am going to explain about one of the advanced concept and as well as one of the most applicative command that we have in the Linux. So that is nothing but a cut command. So basically what cut command will do is, suppose if you are having a file with multiple columns like roll number, age, percentage, name, whatever it may be. So if you want to pick up only the details with respect to the user and only few columns, then if you want to deal with if you want to store the only few columns in the another file, or if you want to do computations only on these few columns, so in that case you will pick up only those particular columns. So how you are going to pick up only those particular columns is you will use like cut command for that. So how we are going to use that, I will explain it in a moment. And it will also use it to store the data or split the data into separate files or into separate outputs by using delimiters also. Suppose if your file is separated, if your records or if your columns present in a file, like if the columns present in a file in every record is separated by a comma or whatever may be the delimiter, whether it is a space or whether it is a pipe symbol, whatever it may be. So if the columns are separated by a comma with some delimiter, if you want to split with that particular delimiter and if you want to store it somewhere, then you can also do that using cut command. So how we are going to do that, I will explain in a moment. So before going to that, I want to show you I want to create one file here. So that file name is cat or cut illustration. So this is the file name that I want to give, and inside that the data that I want to give is, so 001, the name is Venkat, the percentage is 85 or 87, and 002 and the name is Harsha and the percentage is 78, and 003 and the name is Prakash and the percentage is 89, and 004 Mukesh, the percentage is 78, and 005 and the name is Rakesh and the percentage is 70. So these are the five names that I have given here, and I am clicking Ctrl D, and now if I use cut space cut, so these are all the contents present inside the file. So now here if you observe here, each field is separated by space here. Now I can able to retrieve only the first column like 001, 002, whatever may be the roll numbers that we have. I can able to pick that in a separate output, as well as I can also retrieve only the names into the separate output, and I can also separate only the percentage into a separate output using cut command. So how we are going to do that, I will explain it in a moment. So before that, I want to show you how the cut command will be used. So the command is cut space cut underscore illustration, but basically cut command will only work with any of the options that we have. But if you write the cut command without any options, it will throw an error saying that we must specify at least a list of bytes or characters or fields. So what is basically is, so suppose with the file, if you want to pick the content, cut underscore illustration, and inside that, so if you want to pick the bytes, so if you want to pick the bytes from positions, whatever the positions that you want to pick, that you can write here. Suppose what it means is, it will pick up, if from every record, it will pick up the first byte from that particular file mentioned. So what the B means is, it will pick up the bytes, and how many bytes it will pick up is that we mentioned in the next argument, that is 1. So it will pick up one argument from the kata_illustration file. If I enter, so these are all the numbers that we have in the first byte, because if you observe here, we have every line starting with the 0. Similarly, if you mention 1 comma 2, then you will get 0 comma 0 0. Similarly, if you mention 1 comma 2 comma 3, then you will get the first record. So similarly, you can also, along with the 1 comma 2 comma 3, you can also specify the range here. Here we mentioned the positions, but you can also specify the range from 1 position to 10. Suppose if you write some 10th position, then it will show till 10 positions. So right from the starting, every line it will show us the 10 positions. Similarly, we have suppose if you want only from first positions or from 5th position you want to start, and you want to end it till if you want to go it till end, then you can use 5 hyphen and you don't need to specify the ending point. So what that means is it will start from the 5th position, but it will go on till end of the line. So if I write this, so this is what the file is. So the 5th position will start with the name and ends with the last line, last point is the percentage. So it will go on till like that. Similarly, if you want to consider only the roll numbers, you can pick up only these things, -3. That means it will start from the first position but end at third position. So that is what the byte -3 and 5 is. So with the byte position you can specify the 1, 2, 3 and all. But what the B will tell you is, it will tells that we are considering with respect to bytes. But if you want to specify the same with the characters, you can specify with the -C option here. So what the output what we get is completely same as the above one, but the only difference is B means it will consider with respect to the bytes, and C means it will consider with respect to the characters. Similarly, it will, if you see the above one, C, the output is completely same with the how we deal with the -B and -C. So these are some of the things, like using how we can pick up the B value, how we can pick up few bytes or few characters from starting from some point and ending to till the line, or starting from some point and ending at some point, or starting from the starting position as well as ending at some point. So we can also do that. And along with that, we have one more thing, that is nothing but cutting with respect to the delimiter. That's what I told you during the starting of this video. So how we are gonna split that? So if you consider this cut space, cut underscore, if you see this, we have total five lines here which have 3 columns. Under that we have a first column as roll number, second column as name, and third column as age. Sorry, not the age, it's a percentage. So if you want to specify, if you want to pick up only the, if you want to pick up either roll number column or name column or percentage column without specifying any byte positions or character positions, then you will use something known as field positions. So basically what it means is, if it is a delimited file, then the one that we will get is, the first one is nothing but the field 1, and the second column, that means the name column, is nothing but the field 2, and the third column, that means percentage column, is nothing but the field 3. So basically what it will do is, it will use the same cut command space -D is for delimiter, and followed by you need to specify what is the delimiter in the double quotes. So here the delimiter is space here. So you need to specify whatever the delimiter, whether it is a comma or pipe or semicolon, whatever it may be, you need to specify inside the double quotes. Here our delimiter is space, so I just mentioned space in between the parentheses. And after that we have a option known as field, that means -F. So -F is nothing but a field here. And now what I want is, I want to print only the names here. So name is, as I mentioned, the first one is a field 1, second one is a field 2, and third one is a field 3. So as I want only the names, here I need to specify field as 2. That means field 2 I want. So that means I need to specify the 2 here option. And followed by what are the file name that I want, cut underscore illustration. So if I enter this, so it is, if you observe here, we are getting all the names only. We haven't specified any of the positions here. or any of the byte positions here. We just specified, we just filtered it with the delimiter space, and we have picked up the second field values. Similarly, if you want to pick up the first field values, you can also do that using, if I specify 1 here, so that means it will only pick up the first value here. Similarly, you can also specify the ranges here. So if you want to specify, if you want to pick up all the fields, like from field 1 or field 2 to 3, you can also do that here by specifying 2 to 3 or 1 to 3. So if you do this, you will get the name and percentage here. Similarly, if you can also mention 1-3 also. That means it is picking up from roll number to the percentage 1, 2, 3 positions. So it is exactly the complete file what we have. And along with that, there is one more option that we have with the cut command, that is a complement. So what the complement will do is, so suppose if you specify one field, so if you specify here 2-3, then it is representing us second field and third field. But what complement will do is, irrespective of the second and third field, it will print the first field. That means just in complement of the what are the fields that we mentioned here. So for that, what you need to do is, you need to specify here complement -d delimiter, and the delimiter is space, and then field -f, and field what I want to specify is 2-3, and cut illustration. So basically, normally what 2-3 will do is 2-3, it will print the second and third option. This is the output. But if I mentioned complement option here, that means it will only print the first value, the first record, if it is working. I think that the complement is not working here, but normally if the complement is working, so this is what the option is. But apart from that, this is what like the cut command is used for. I have explained about how the fields and delimiter will work, as well as I have explained about how we will split, how we will consider the data with respect to the field positions or character positions or byte positions. And the cut command won't work without any options here. So this is how the cut command will work. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.